One of the fun things I like to do as a content creator is to spend time creating new pin graphics. I don't know about you, but I love Pinterest. It's eye candy for me. I love scrolling through Pinterest to see what's new, looking at pin designs, how tall pins are, how short they are, what they're promoting, if it's their face or if it's a video. Like, I am just all for it. I love Pinterest as a ideas generator. And so for this video, I want to share with you a pin template that I started using that is showing some potential. I do have Pinterest graphics for sale if you're interested in that. I always update and continue to update those Pinterest. So this template will go into that template library that I have. Make sure to check out that if you're interested in more templates to help you grow your Pinterest presence. Because I don't know about you, but recently I did a Pinterest audit live. I'm going to do part 2 eventually, don't worry. But I noticed a lot of people still don't know how to make attractive pins. Now, they don't have to be beautiful. They can be like sort of ugly pins. Those actually do well. Pins that like you don't normally think would do well. But a lot of times I'm seeing pins with smaller fonts that no one can read on mobile. I'm seeing pins that maybe are too short. I'm seeing pins that just aren't attracting me as a user. This template is attracting people on different profiles that I'm using it on. Okay, so let's get to it. Now on my Twins Mommy Pinterest profile, I started using it here. As you can see, they are longer than my traditional pins that I create for my blog post. All of these here are the longer ones. So I've been using, as you can see, different ways, and I'm getting views. Here's 345 with 5 clicks to my blog, another 5 clicks to my blog, 3 clicks, 6 clicks to my blog. This one I just published last night, 1 click already to my blog. I am getting people to my blog using this template. It also works for my other brand for freelancers. I don't get a lot of Pinterest traffic for freelance writing. It's business, it's not a hot topic, but I started using this template to promote my YouTube videos. And that seems to be working a little bit. So here are the pins that I created here. So here, look, I have 5 clicks to my YouTube, 2 here, 1, and then these are new from last night and hasn't really been picked up. So it's slowly working. I'm using it just for YouTube. So maybe people don't want to go to YouTube when they see this. So I'm going to start using this template just for my blog posts, because my blog post pins here, they do fairly well. I mean, I got 7 clicks here and 6 clicks there. So, I mean, those do well as too, but I want to try this longer template for the blog post. So why don't we actually create a pin for this brand? I have a blog post of 50 high paying sites that pay you to write. I think that might be a good topic for a pin like this because it has a number. So in Canva, here's my template. It is 1000 by 1900. So that's just the template that I have. And the name of this pin will be called Writing Sites That Pay. I have 50. So I'm just going to change this to 50. I'm going to move this. Now the font I'm using is Anton. So if you want to try that out, 15 sites that pay. I have up to 1,000. So I can say that up to 1,000, which is a lot. Okay, so I have all of that. Sites is a little too big. Okay, so I have something like this. And then for the image, I'm just going to use a stock photo of a woman and laptop. I'm going to make it vertical. And then I'm just going to see what works underneath. Sometimes I have to let it. That one could work, although you can't really see her laptop there, but that's a cute one. I could also move this up. So if I move this up, that could work. Maybe we'll just do that. That's good. I'm going to move this down just a tidbit there. Okay. With the styling of the pins, I didn't move that border, the white border, all the way up because in Pinterest, the background is white. So it just will look kind of funny. I've noticed that if I use a lot of white in my pins, it blends too much in the platform. You can't really see it. So you need to add just a little bit of color, discolor here. Okay, this is for my brand Alma Kane. As far as the colors, I want to make this pop. So I'm going to use red. The 50 is too bright. That might be better. Maybe this can be like a gray. It's a green gray. I think I'm going to change this to red and change that blue and yellow, like a soft pink. I spent a lot of time on the colors, actually the brand colors, just to make it pop. Maybe I'll make this red too then. What the color I used? Maybe that might work like that. And then this could be the blue. Maybe we'll try something like that. Okay, I want to make it as big as possible so that people, when they scroll, they stop and they can read it. All right, let's download this one, grab the link, and I'm going to go to the profile here and create pin, drag it up here, add my link, and then the title can be the same as this, or it could be more descriptive. I can put 50 high paying websites that pay up to $1,000. I spill the tea on the 50 sites that pay writers up to $1,000. These websites pay are great to build your portfolio and writing samples as a new freelancer. Okay, I usually get AI to create these, but if I'm just creating one on the side, like out of nowhere, I'll just write up a little description. I don't use too many keywords. I mean, I know sites that pay, websites that pay, things like that are keywords. So I might use that. High paying is there. I don't think I have money as a tag and job as a tag and writing as a tag. All right. And then I can publish there. So that's how I create a pin. When I'm using a new template, I always try it for a couple of weeks. Now, I've been using this sporadically for about a month, and then lately I've been trying it out on different profiles to see if it also works. And it seems to be generating clicks and views back to my blog post or to my YouTube channel. I can also create a pin for my digital products. That's something that I can spend time doing. It'll give me a good ROI if I find these templates are working. My audience is used to it. Now I can start creating pins that direct people to my ebooks, to my courses, to my masterclasses, to my templates, all of that stuff that I have for sale. Okay, so all of that can help you as a blogger, content creator, just get more eyeballs to whatever you want to direct them to. Okay, hopefully that helped you. Make sure to grab my templates if you want. I also have my ebook of 15 Genius Pinterest Secrets for Bloggers. That is selling like hotcakes. Please grab that. If I have any new information, which I'm working on right now, I will put it in that book. So it'll probably be 16 Genius Pinterest Secrets because this might be a game changer. I'm not sure. I'm doing a case study right now. Okay, so subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about what happened with that. Otherwise, you will not get anywhere on Pinterest if you don't understand how to use Pinterest analytics so that you can find the best pins to create, find the best boards that give you the views and the clicks of your pins. All right. And you do that through Pinterest analytics. And if you need information, make sure to watch that video next where I spill the tea and give you everything about Pinterest analytics in that video. All right. So make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in that video.